If your machine freezes and you cannot do a single thing, hold down the volume for up to 5 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5. Do you want to reboot? You want to get to the factory settings, the data factory reset that will erase everything in the car. Go to settings, system. You can scroll down or scroll up. I'm going to scroll up. Factory data reset. That is as far as I'm going to show you in what? Under a minute to 2 minutes time. You can default and you can hit OK, all up to you. I'm going to hit the home, and thank you very much for viewing.